Hey guys, welcome to my channel Psych Admin. Today we will learn how to enable HyperV feature on your Windows 10 based machine. For those who don't know, HyperV is a Microsoft's hardware virtualization product that lets you create virtual machines. You can build your own lab with your own domain by installing Windows Server, followed by the ADDS tool, and then promoting the server to domain controllers. We will learn all this in my next videos, but for now, let's focus on installing Hyper-V. So this is a Windows 10 based machine. There are also other OS that supports installing Hyper-V. There's a Microsoft document. I'll paste this on my description. You can check this out later. So to install Hyper-V, first you need to go to Control Panel. You can go to Search, type Control, Enter. So this is Control Panel. There is another way how you can go to Control Panel. Go to Run, type Control, hit Enter, and here it is. Go to Programs and Features. Go to Turn Windows Feature On or Off. Scroll down until you find Hyper-V. So here is Hyper-V. I've already checked because Hyper-V is already installed on my machine. You need to check this. Click on OK. You'll see a dialog box that appears which says installing Hyper-V. Once it is installed, it won't ask you for a reboot, but it's better if you reboot your machine. So once you reboot your machine, go to search, type Hyper-V. You'll see your Hyper-V Manager installed. You can right click, pin to taskbar. I've already done it. Open Hyper-V. So this is how the Hyper-V Manager GUI looks like. I've installed my domain controller, my web server, workstation already, but I'll show you how to install these in my next videos. So if you want to learn more about Hyper-V on how to create virtual machines, install Windows Server, etc., please check out my next videos. And please make sure you like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.